Hey YouTube or internet. Today I'm going to try to try on very bizarre cheat code on one of the Camerica unlicensed NES games on a Famiclone, which has a 72 to 60 pin converter inside and on top of the game itself, and it has a modified controller. Basically, this controller, if I press all of my buttons on the thumb, I can visually press all of them at the same time. And this is the only possible way to execute this cheat code, because the real NES controller was not designed in the way mechanism like this. And sadly, I need to build up some sort of recording thing to have, because I need to use both of my two hands in the procedure of this thing, and this is still very hard to execute. So yeah, it's gonna take some time, but awesome things happens in the consummation of time, so stay tuned. So here it goes. So okay, let's maybe we have a somewhat suitable or tolerable viewpoint. So the cuttinggroundfloor.com says that the cheat can be only enabled by pressing every directional pad and then A and start and select, and this will gonna brings us to the PRG test. I'm gonna reset the system, and the PRG has been passed. And this is the only way you will actually can enable this sort of cheat code. And it enabled, and it only lasts for a few seconds. But now comes the other one, and the CHR RAM test, because the PRG is a ROM. This was a ROM test, because I'm just reading now from, and the CHR test requires again pressing up, down, left, right, then B, select and start, and then pressing reset on the console. And the CHR RAM has also passed. But I keep hitting reset, you can see the smiley face. This is, as I said, a very interesting sort of way to see this. And yes, only by pressing all of those buttons. And we're gonna be really quick because this cable is inexcusably short, so it is one of the hardest cheats to actually make on a console. And no, you cannot make it on an emulator. I tried it, so this is possibly the only video you're ever gonna see this in action. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed.